kita karon sa atong ikatulong nga segment o ikatulong nga pagkabasa ko napud ka nako karon ang usa ka poem or pwede ka po siya spoken poetry pero mas prefer ko nga poem na siya. By the way, you can pronounce the word poem or poem. You can say poem or you can say poem. Okay, the title is we have Wait and Pray. So, paghuwat o pag-ampok. So, only two words. Wait, pray. At ang pagkasugdan, yan na. Aminaw ang tanan. Wait and Pray by DJ Voice. The first time I saw you one sunny day, with that mocking smile and hair of disarray, my heart beats faster that I can tell what is deep inside, what I feel. I tried to ask everything about you, tried to ask your name, your telephone number too. I can't understand what this in my heart. Maybe I'd fallen in love with you from the start. Every night I stare at your picture so bright, like the stars that capture the light. Yes, this heart of mine is right to love you with all my might. I hope and pray to God that you will be mine someday, to be with you always, together walking in aisle with me, changing your family name, bearing children, and say, God has favored everything when you wait and pray.